Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a visitor counter to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to display your site's traffic and boost credibility with your visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, and from here, click on Website. This takes you to the specific website you want to work on, which is important if you manage multiple sites under one account. Now you'll see a preview of the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure that this is the website you wish to add the visitor counter to. It's always good to double check, especially if you're managing several sites, to avoid making changes to the wrong one. From this page, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it on the top part of your screen, typically beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing and customizing your website's design and functionality. Go ahead and click on it. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, locate the Add Apps button located on the left navigation menu. This section is where you can integrate all sorts of powerful tools and features to enhance your website's performance and user experience. The Add Apps menu will expand, and from here you'll see a list of all apps readily available for you to use and integrate with. Locate the search bar and type in Hit Counter, then hit Enter. The app that we're looking for is the one that has Show Visitor Stats with a website counter as the description. Once you spot it, click on it, and you'll be directed to the Hit Counter Overview page. Once you're on the Hit Counter Overview page, take a moment to scroll down and read through its app functions and user reviews. This will give you a good sense of what the app can do and how other users have found it. Also, check on the pricing and plans to ensure it fits your budget and needs. Some features might be free, while others could require a subscription. Once you're ready and satisfied with what you see, simply click on Add to your website and it will automatically be added to your website editor. And that's it. You've successfully added a visitor counter to your Wix website. Your visitors can now see how popular your site is, which can help build trust and engagement. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.